so we're going to throw on the pre-cut kit for the headlights for this Model 3. We'll go ahead and prep them, spray some of your tack solution, and squeegee that off. Lightly spray some of your slip solution. Go ahead, peel half off. Spray some of your tack solution. And pick up the other half without spraying anything and just lay the film on the light. So right now we're going to line up our bottom. Then we'll pick up the top and we'll line that up. And then we'll pick up the bottom half, spray some tack solution, and line that up. Just like that. Go ahead and squeegee out all that water. And these lights don't have any wrapped edges, so they should sit flush with the outer edge of the headlight. So check for any excess hanging over, and then just reposition your film. You should not have any edges lifting on the side on any of the headlights. So we're pretty much good to go on this side, and you can go ahead and just apply the same process to the driver's side headlight, just vice versa, but these really don't take that much time to install. All right, so we've just completed the passenger side. We're gonna hop over to the driver's side, work on this headlight. This is the same kit, so it does not have any wrapped edges. We're gonna start prepping it the same way we did the other side. Spray some of your tack solution and just squeegee it off. We'll peel off our film, spray our slip solution. Just lay the headlight on. So we're checking our alignment. Everything's good to go. Now we can start tacking. Go ahead, hold that down for a couple seconds. Let that tack solution sit. Squeegee that out. Work over to the bottom. And then this last piece, make sure we line that up. Now we can just start squeegeeing out all that slip solution and tack solution under the film. And after that's done, you've pretty much completed the install on both headlights. Let them dry out a bit. If you see any film lifting over the edges, take the heat gun to it and wrap the edges like you would any normal wrapped edges on any of our kits. But other than that, you're pretty much completed with the headlight install for the Model 3.